What's going on, everybody? Quick one here. I noticed a lot of people are struggling with strategy, and strategy is just 10% in this forex market. That means you are still missing the remaining 90%. So I decided to do a 3 days free forex video course for all my subscribers and all the struggling traders. Today is going to be day one. Tomorrow is going to be day two, and next tomorrow is going to be day three. All I'm asking from you is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop a video. Other than that, guys, let's roll. So, one of the first things you need to understand if you want to successfully use this strategy to trade gold and US30, even many other pair, is to first of all identify market phases. All right. Most people don't know how to identify market phases. They don't know the market direction, but they just want to trade the strategy and make money. You're going to find it difficult, all right? So right now, I am going to start by breaking down the market phases, all right? Before we jump to market structure, how the market moves, and before we also jump to key levels, all right? So let's just start first of all with the market phases. The financial market or the forex market moves in three ways, right? Market moves in three ways. Let me just look for what I'm going to use. Market moves in three ways. The first move here is a bullish move, just like this. The second move, get out. The second move is a bearish move, just like this. I said it moves in three ways, right? Do not forget. Then the third move is just like this, a sideways. So people call it consolidation. So people call it ranging. Whatever you call it, you are still correct. You feel me? This is the third way that the forex market moves, just like this. A bullish move like this and a bearish move like this. All right. But now, whenever price is on a bullish move, price just don't move straight in a straight line like this. And whenever price is on a bearish move, price don't just move in a straight line like this. It is only a consolidation phase that moves sideways and there's no other way for it. Now, let me just go straight and break down and also show you how price move. So whenever price is moving, price will be moving this way, just like this. You see swing high, swing low, swing high, and also a swing low, swing high, and a swing low, swing high, just like this. And if price is moving to the downside, price will move in a swing low and a swing high, swing low, and a swing high, just like this. You feel me? If you want to identify this, the simple way to identify this market look right now is higher high and a higher low, higher high and a higher low, higher high and a higher low, then lower low and a lower high, lower low and a lower high, lower low, then a lower highs. This is the three phase the forex market moves, all right? Any financial market moves. Either you're trading crypto or you're trading forex, trading, or either you're trading stock or you're trading futures, all right? This is how the financial market moves, all right? So now, this is the three phase of the market. When we talk about market structure, how do you understand market structure? Which is the second thing you, after you identify market phase, the second thing to identify is market structure. I'm going to also show you guys on the chart, all right? But before the chart, let me just show you guys example, all right? So now, when price is heading to the upside, price will give you a series of higher high, just like this, and a higher low. Now, let me just try that out so that you guys won't be confused. So we have a higher high, just like this. I'm just gonna leave it as the HH, all right? Then we'll have a higher low, just like this. Higher low, just like this. So this is how simple the price move. Then if you see, price is gonna give you a resistance zone here. You feel me? Which is your key level. You get price give you a resistance zone here. So I'm gonna have to take this thing away, right? And draw a proper line. So right now on here, what do we see here? We see that price have a resistance here, all right? Price have a resistance here. What are we gonna do? How would the price move again, all right? If you have a higher high and a higher low here, the next thing you expect, you wait for price to break your key level, which is your resistance, right? Give you another higher high, then another higher low. This is a market structure I'm trying to teach you guys right now. And right now, price is going to still break. If price continue heading to the upside, price is going to still break this your recent resistance or recent high or recent key levels again. Turn that resistance into a support, just like this. All right. So let me just draw a key level again, just like this. Okay, just like that. So now you now have a higher high again. Uh, Let me clone. So you have a high here, just like this. You have a high here, just like this. All right. So I'm going to clone the lower low now, higher low now, real quick. Um, okay, higher low. So now you have a higher low here, and also a higher low here. Just like this on a bullish move. So right now, if you can see, price broke this key level, which is a resistance, pulls back, turn that resistance into a support. This is where you look for buying opportunity, right? As you can see, this resistance, price broke that resistance, pulls back, turn it into a support. This is where you look for a buying opportunity. If price is heading to the upside, if price is on a bullish move, all you need to be doing is to look for a buying opportunity. All right. So let's make example of a bearish move. So now, if price wants to give you a bearish move, there are times whereby price will just create a pattern, all right? So let's just go with the pattern. If price wants to change from a bearish or bullish move to a bearish move, there are times you have like an inverse, like a head and shoulder. You feel me? Now, on here is the first shoulder, then this is the head, and this is the second shoulder. Then you see that you will experience a lower low and a lower high, then a lower low, a lower high, just like this, a lower low again, and a lower high, just like this. All right. So now let me just also identify that one real quick. So let me start with the lower low. And first of all, uh, follow me. Lower low here, just like this. Lower low here, just like this. Let me clone real quick. Lower low. So we have a lower low here, just like this. And also, this is a lower low here, just like this. All right. So now let's look for lower highs real quick. Let me identify that lower highs real quick. So we have a lower high here. All right. So this is a full market structure that I'm just trying to teach you guys real quick in less than 20 minutes, I guess. This is it. So now, just like this, just like this, and also just like this, all right? So we have a lower low here, we have a lower high, a lower low, a lower high here, a lower low, and also a lower high. Now, whenever price is changing structure, whenever price is changing phase, it's going to give you like a pattern, you feel me? This one we are seeing here is the head and the shoulder, all right? So now, when price is changing from a bearish move to a bullish move, it will give you like a head and shoulder. Let me use inverse K right now, like an inverse head and shoulder. So all here is going to be the first shoulder, here is going to be head, and here is going to be the second shoulder. That is how the market will change from a bearish move down to a bullish move. You understand? Now, there are several patterns, or there are different patterns that the market creates if the market wants to change from a bullish move to a bearish move, or a bearish move to a bullish move. Now, I'm going to use the example of a bearish move. Now, if price is heading to the upside most of the time, it will come down, give you a lower low, a lower high, just like this, lower low here, lower high, just like this, lower low, and a lower high. Sometimes it will give you a double bottom, right? This is the first leg, this is the second leg, right? And this is the neckline. Price will took out that neckline, pulls back to retest with a higher high, a higher low, just like this, a higher high just like this, a higher low just like this, a higher high, and also a higher high just like this, and also a higher low. Exactly. This is how it moves. And this is going to be like your change of structure, right? So now you have a double bottom, right? First bottom, second bottom. Price broke it. Turn this double bottom neckline into a retest. You understand? And this is also a change of structure. Now, whenever price is turning like a double, like a bearish, whenever price is changing, this is example of a bearish move, right? Price is changing from a bearish move down to a bullish move. And if price want to change from a bullish move to a bearish move, inverse K, now you have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high also, a higher low. The price refuse to give you another high here. another higher high is here. Instead, price respect this high and start dropping, giving you a double top, right? First top, second top. Then this was the neckline. Price took it out, pulls back to retest. This retest is giving you now a lower low, lower low, and a lower low, and also a lower high. This is how the market moves. Very, very simple and easy to understand. Now, let me just change it and also make you guys understand key levels, all right? So now, first of all, on here is your key level. Here, this higher high is your key level. Higher low is your key level. Higher high is your key level. Higher low is your key level. Now, why is higher low your key level? Because there are times whereby, let me just make the example real quick. Was the higher lows, and the higher lows is the support, right? There are times where market to just like go to the upside like this, push all the way down. You respect this support and start heading to the upside, or break it below, you feel me, and give you a lower low again and a lower highs. You feel me? So this is how the market move. If I want to explain everything here, we are going to waste a lot of time, all right? So in order for us not to waste time, let me just jump to how, uh, let me just show you this, let me just show you guys this example on a chart, all right? So now, first of all, on here, what do we have here? Just like this. Um, you feel me? So on here right now, let me look for a bearish move, a quick bearish move. This is a quick bearish move here, not too long, but it's a quick bearish move, just like this and just like this, all right? So right now, what do we have here? Price was heading to the upside, giving us a series of higher high and a higher low. Then we have this price give us a higher high and a higher low, just like this. This was the first leg. This was the second leg, all right? So we now have a lower low here and a lower high, lower low and a lower high, lower low and a lower high, then lower low. Then we have a lower high. This lower high is now, price did not just stop at that lower highs here. If you feel me, price pulls back to respect. Price did not give you a lower highs around this level and drop. Price going to give you that lower highs here, which is turning that level into a resistance right now. You have a resistance zone here. You have a resistance zone here. You feel me? Let me take this thing away real quick. Okay, so you have a resistance zone here, and you have a resistance zone uh, at the same place. So let me bring this thing up a little bit. Okay, that is an example of a bearish move, all right? That is a quick example of a bearish move. Now, let's just talk about quick example of a bullish move. Let's look for quick example of a bullish move. Okay, now this is a quick example of a bullish move. It might not be long because I don't want us to waste a lot of time on this video, all right? But now we have a higher high here. Then we have a higher low. Then price respect this high, did not break it above to give us a higher high. Instead, price drop, consolidated, move sideways a little bit around here, then move again, which give us this one as a higher high, higher low, then a higher highs, then we'll have a higher low, just like this. You feel me? Whenever you jump to the smaller time frame, you will see this thing I'm talking about very clear. So let's jump to the 5 minute time frame. Let's look for a quick example of a bullish move and a bearish move. So on here now, let's look for a quick example of a bullish move and a bearish move on the 5 minute time frame for you guys to understand that there is market structure in all the time frames, all right? So right now, price was heading to the upside. Price gave us a bullish move, which is a higher high, higher low here. We have a higher high and a higher low still, a higher high and a higher low here, a higher high and a higher low. And also we have a higher high before this dirty move, you feel me? So let's look for example of a bullish move. I just want a clean bullish move before we jump to key levels, all right? So on here, this is also a bullish move, right? So if this is just a quick, short bullish move. This is not a long bullish move, all right? So we have a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. What are you expecting? A higher high, then a higher low. Then price should continue heading to the upside. Now, I'm going to show you guys example of a key level right now. So now, on here, as you can see, we have a resistance here, right? We have a resistance zone here. Because of how is this a resistance zone? This was a resistance. Price took out that resistance zone, pulls back to retest. You understand? Turn that resistance into a support right now. So you that wants to be looking for buying opportunity, this is where you look for your quick buying opportunity. Either your TP is here or your TP is around this level. And this is a key level. This resistance zone that price took out, pulls back to retest was a key level, and this is also a key level. Now, let me show you guys. Let me shrink the chart and show you guys one example real quick. So as you guys can see right now, we have a resistance around this level. This was the resistance, right? Just like this. Price took out that resistance zone just like this, pulls back to retest. This retest here is your key level. Now, quick example, quick explanation of a key level. A key level is where price reacted from. You understand? A key level is where price is reacting from or where price is reacting to. That is just a quick example of a key level or quick explanation of a key level. On here, price broke resistance. That was a key level. Here, price broke that resistance, pulls back to retest. That retest was a key level. This is a key level. This is a key level. And also this is a key level. Now, this current resistance right now that you can see here, price took out that resistance zone. This resistance is a key level, right? So price took it above, pulls back to retest on this key level. You feel me? So any level that price reacted from or price is reacting to is a key level. You understand? Is your key zone, whatever you want to call it. You feel me? But the quick explanation is key level. So right now, this is another key level. We have a resistance, then extend to this level just like this. Now, what do we have? Price took out our resistance zone up, then pulls back to retest just like this around this level. And you that you'll be looking for buying opportunity, this is just going to be your buyer's opportunity. Very, very clean. This strategy is 85% win rate, as you can see on the thumbnail. So now, let me show you guys an example of my chart right now on gold before we jump to the currency. All right. So right now, as you guys can see, we have a resistance zone here. First of all, we have a support zone here, a support zone here. This is a key level, all right? Price took out that key level, pulls back to retest on that the same support zone. You understand? Price broke that support, pulls back to retest. This retest is a key level. This is a key level here. So let me use this arrow to identify it. This is a key level here, and this is a key level. Key levels are levels that price reacted from, just like I said. So right now, this is another key level. This is a resistance, Price took that resistance up. This was the breakout I took around this level. So right now, on here again, you have a key level, a resistance. Price took it above, then pulls back to retest. This is a key level, just like I explained from the other chart. Key levels here, and also this is a key level, and this is a key level. And as you can see, we have the first buy, that first buy there, 1 to 4. And we have the second buy of yesterday, which is 1 to 4 also. You feel me? So this is just the best day trading strategy that you should be using to trade, all right? Whether you're trading US30, if you're trading gold or currencies, you feel me? So on here, we have a resistance here, a resistance. Price took out that. Okay, now, before that resistance, we have this trend line touch here. Then we have trend line bounce here, bounce around this level. Price took out that trend line, broke it above, pulls back to retest on this resistance, this meaning resistance key level. You feel me? Then broke above that trend line, pulls back to retest. You feel me? And this was a long opportunity. And this is a key level also. And this is also a key level, right? Where price reacted from. As you can see, this is also a key level. And where I took this buy on GU is also a key level. You understand? I'm just trying to be quick on this explanation. So right now, as you guys can see, price was on a bearish move on the GJ before. So price broke this trend line above, and this is a key level, a buying opportunity, quick one there. As you can see, even on the Euro USD right now, as you guys can see, so price was heading to the upside, quite all right? So price was heading to the upside. Price give us a higher high and a higher low, just like this. Then we have a higher high, meaning one, a higher low, higher high, a higher low. Then price broke this resistance above there. Then I long. Then I long just like this, you feel me? So on here, price still dropped, giving us a big higher lows, all right? So we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, and a higher low until you can see we start having this mini resistance, higher high and a higher low, just like this, higher high and also a higher low. So this level, that I am taking this trade from right now is also a key level. That is what I want you guys to understand about the strategy. So on the next, this is part one, right? This is part one. This is just like episode 1. So on the next part, I am also going to break down the conferences and everything you should be using to trade this strategy. So if you understand what I just taught you and you learned a lot and you know that you learned a lot from this from what I just taught you right now, all I'm asking from you is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and also comment, share this video, turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop the next episode. All right. So other than that, guys, peace.